In this quick tutorial, I will speed up and slow down only a part of this video clip. To change speed of the whole clip, watch this video. Right-click the clip, select Show Clip Keyframes, then hover over Time Remapping and click on Speed. Bring mouse cursor over the line and drag up to zoom in the clip track to display more options. This is rubber band line which controls the speed of the clip. I will bring the playhead to exactly the specific position from where I want to speed up the part of clip. Now click the keyframe button to add the first speed keyframe. I will move the playhead to another position and add the second keyframe where I want to play the video again at normal speed. Now I can change the speed of the specific clip section between these two keyframes. Please observe that as I drag the rubber band, its speed percentage is also displayed below the video clip. 100% is the normal or original speed of the clip. So I have increased the video speed to keep it at 250% of the original video speed. If I want to slow down the speed of this clip section, I will drag the rubber band below 100%. For example, I have set the speed of this section at 30% of the original speed. Playback to view the speed change. Now let me explain the 8 pro tips for you. Pro tip number 1. Position the mouse cursor over rubber band, then press Ctrl on keyboard and click on mouse to quickly add keyframes. Pro tip number 2. This marker is called speed keyframe, which consists of two halves. For speed transition or gradual speed change, drag the left half to the left and right half to the right side, which will stretch the vertically positioned rubber band for smooth playback. Pro tip number 3. For better control on speed change, press Shift on keyboard while you drag the rubber band. It will change the speed by 5% increments at each motion of your mouse, as you can see the changing numbers. Pro tip number 4. Press Alt on keyboard and click mouse if you want to move a speed keyframe at some new position while in unsplit form. Pro tip number 5. If you click anywhere between the center of both split keyframes, a blue curve control appears on the rubber band. You can select its handles to rotate it and create a speed ramp curve. It helps to control the smoothness of the transition. Pro tip number 6. If I want to change the speed only on right side of this keyframe, then I will press Shift key while moving right half of the keyframe. Similarly, you can change speed only left of the keyframe. Pro tip number 7. To freeze the video frame, add a keyframe. Now press Ctrl and Alt keys at once while you drag the keyframe to a point where you want to end the still frame. Let's play it to see the freeze frame. Pro tip number 8. To remove the speed keyframes or time remapping effect, select Effects Control panel, then select Time Remapping and then click on this toggle animation button just beside the speed option. This action will delete all the speed keyframes of the selected clip. You can click the toggle animation button again to turn on the time remapping. You can press Ctrl+Z to bring back the speed keyframes. Thanks for liking and sharing this video. Watch more tutorials about Adobe Premiere Pro.